Today we examine the fascinating world of the digestive system and its profound influence on our well-being. Did you know that digestive begins in the brain? Actually, this is true. Our brain plays a crucial role in initiating digestion. When we see or smell food, signals from the brain trigger our salivary glands and stomach to prepare for a meal. Now, external factors like stress can affect the digestion and appetite, thanks to the strong connection existing between our nervous system and the gastrointestinal tract. Now, the gastrointestinal tract, that we will call GI tract, is a remarkable canal stretching up to 8 to 10 meters from the mouth to the anus. It includes organs like the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus, as well as auxiliary organs like the liver, gallbladder, and the pancreas. Now, working in harmony with the microbiome, the nervous system and the circulatory system, the organs, and everything together breaks down food into essential nutrients. So how does digestion actually work? Now, our digestive system springs into action the moment we start eating. Involuntary contractions called peristalsis propel food through the GI tract that breaks down large molecules into small and absorbable ones. Now, let's start with the importance of the mouth. Now, chewing food mixes with saliva, forming a moist mass called bolus. Now, the saliva contains enzymes like the amylase, which kickstarts starch digestion. The mouth also regulates food temperature that is crucial for the activity of certain enzymes. From the mouth, the bolus travels down the esophagus via peristalsis, passing through the sphincter into the stomach. Now, the hormone gastrin at this point is also produced, regulating gastric juices, including hydrochloric acid and other secretion to break down food and activate enzymes for the digestion of proteins, forming the so-called chyme. Now, the next phase of digestion happens in the small intestine that is divided in 3 parts: the duodenum, ileum, and the ileum. This is a 6-7 meter long tube and is responsible for most nutrients absorption. Pancreatic and gallbladder juices aid digestion and as well absorption. Now, the surface of the small intestine is covered with very tiny structure called villi, allowing efficient absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fat are then broken down and absorbed here via this villi. Now, nutrients then travel to the liver for eventually processing and distribution. Now, the journey continues into the large intestine, called also colon. While most nutrients absorption has already occurred in the small intestine, the colon absorbs water, salts, some vitamins, and short-chain fatty acids. The remaining waste remain in the colon for about 12 to 24 hours before excreted as feces through the anus. Now, let's explore an often overlooked aspect of our digestive system, which is the gut microbiome. Our digestive system is home of trillions of microorganisms, mainly bacteria, forming a symbiotic relationship called the microbiome. These microorganisms contribute to digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall health. Now, they break down carbohydrates, produce vitamins, enhance immune function, and protect against pathogens. Gut bacteria also impact the central nervous system by producing compounds that affect neurotransmitters. The microbiome plays a vital role in digestion by fermenting dietary carbohydrates, including fibers and sugars, and we cannot eventually digest on our own. So this process produces short-chain fatty acids and gas, explaining why high sugar diets lead often to bloating and discomfort. Now, there are various factors that can disrupt our microbiome, leading to a condition called dysbiosis. Stress and antibiotics are common cause for this dysbiosis. This is why fostering a diverse and balanced gut microbiome is crucial for optimal digestion and overall health. It is important to mention the importance of auxiliary organs as well. The liver and gallbladder are essential for digestion. The liver processes nutrients and stores glycogen, metabolizes substances, and eventually detoxifies our body. It acts as a quality checkpoint, screening toxins, nutrients, drugs, and hormones. The liver also produces the bile, which is stored in the gallbladder, which aids fat digestion and fat absorption. On the other hand, the pancreas, located near the stomach, produces digestive enzymes as well as hormones. Now, these enzymes like lipase, amylase, and trypsin break down fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. The pancreas also secretes hormones like insulin and glucagon, and both hormones are involved in the regulation of carbohydrate metabolism and blood sugar control. For instance, insulin controls blood glucose level, permitting the transport of glucose and amino acids into cells. It also promotes fat formation. On the contrary, glucagon breaks down stored glycogen into glucose for energy purposes. So therefore, insulin and glucagon work together to maintain proper blood glucose level. Now, although the digestive system is very efficient, it can also face challenges. For instance, acid reflux, irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and celiac disease are quite of the some common GI conditions that often require medical attention and lifestyle adjustments. Now, to support a healthy digestive system, here I would like to propose some guidelines to keep in mind when working with clients. One of them is eat a balanced diet that includes fiber-rich food. And here we're talking about fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats for optimal digestion and nutrient intake. Another one is stay hydrated. Now, drink enough water to keep your digestion system functioning properly and prevent constipation. One more is managing stress. So use stress-reducing techniques like exercise and meditation to avoid disruptions in the digestion. And the one that maybe is overlooked is chew food, because take time to chew in food properly aid digestion and the activity of the enzymes. Another one is maintaining healthy weight, which means a regular exercise and balanced diet contribute to a healthy digestive system. So in conclusion, the digestive system is an intricate network of organs and processes that extract the nutrients from the food we eat. Therefore, understanding its importance and implementing habits to support its function can improve our whole overall health and energy levels. Let's make conscious choices that nourish our body and lay the foundation for a healthy and fulfilling life. A well-functioning digestive system sets the stage for a vibrant and energetic you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next module.